When we talk about COD in water, we are actually discussing the concentration of COD in the water. COD stands for chemical oxygen demand, which is an indicator used to measure the concentration of organic matter in water. Let's say you have a pond filled with various organic materials, such as plant residues, animal feces, or even chemical waste. When these organic materials enter the water, they consume the oxygen in the water, thereby affecting the survival of other organisms in the water. COD is used to indicate the extent to which organic matter consumes oxygen. We determine the COD value by measuring the amount of chemical oxidants required to oxidize the organic matter under specific conditions. A higher COD value indicates a higher concentration of organic matter in the water, which means a higher degree of water pollution. By regularly measuring the COD value, we can monitor changes in water quality and take necessary measures to protect and improve water resources.